Starting around 17 September 2023, Star Atlas DAO truly is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in by and large most recent 60 minutes. By and large, in spite of prevalent thinking, Paulus most certainly has an all-out market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. This certainly makes Star Atlas DAO, Paulus' beautiful positioning at 612 in the cryptographic money market, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense be genuinely worth in 2023, which for the most part is very critical. Is Star Atlas DAO a sort of wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023, which really is very critical? Will Paulus cost basically outperform its untouched high? Or so they in a real sense thought. These sort of are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Paulus's future, which especially is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO, Paulus value expectation 2023, as per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Paulus cost truly is supposed to really cross a sort of normal value, even out of 12 cents. The normal truly least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to essentially be 12 cents. Exhibiting that especially is Star Atlas DAO and in every practical sense, wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023. Besides, Paulus can truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of 13 cents, kind of additional appearance. How these sort of are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Paulus's future, in an extremely significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO basically will be fundamentally anticipated to basically reach at a very least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The Paulus cost could truly arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of 11 cents, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, which truly is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost truly is supposed to generally reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the truly normal cost of Paulus for the September in a real sense stays around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value gauge October 2023. The extremely normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Paulus, could go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023, showing how Star Atlas DAO, Paulus value expectation 2023 as per the Star Atlas DAO figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Paulus cost especially is supposed to sort of cross a sort of normal value level of 12 cents. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to basically be 12 cents. Exhibiting that generally is Star Atlas DAO a wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Paulus could be exchanging around a greatest worth of 12 cents, with the especially least expected cost of 11 cents, in a by and large huge manner. Paulus value gauge November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Star Atlas DAO basically is supposed to for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of 11 cents, in an essentially large manner. The Paulus cost could fundamentally arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest cost of 12 cents, with the exceptionally normal cost around 12 cents. Star Atlas DAO value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO certainly is supposed to in every way that really matters, be at around a very least of 12 cents, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO cost can generally arrive at a kind of limit of 13 cents, with the kind of typical cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, showing how besides Paulus can generally arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 13 cents, certainly further appearance, how these in every practical sense are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Paulus's future, which truly is very huge. Star Atlas DAO especially passed value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been in a real sense diminished by 3.34% in its truly current worth, which in a real sense demonstrates the way that Paulus could truly be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the especially least expected cost of 11 cents, or so they especially thought. Assuming we for the most part look at the by and large current market cap of the Paulus with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap sort of is likewise down. So will Paulus cost generally outperform its record-breaking high? Certainly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. From for the most part most recent 7 days the Paulus by and large was in sort of good vertical pattern, and expanded by 18.52%, which truly is very huge. Star Atlas DAO essentially has shown exceptionally sort major areas of strength for of potential of late, and this could be great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, which generally is genuinely critical. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Paulus in a real sense diminished by 55.184%, dispensing with an astounding commonly normal amount of 14 cents from its fundamentally current worth in a significant manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a decent in a real sense purchase and open door for speedy venture, or so they certainly thought. Star Atlas DAO Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will explicitly be Star Atlas DAO genuinely worth in 2023 in opposition to prevalent thinking? The Paulus cost certainly is gauged to essentially arrive at a by and large greatest degree of 13 cents, within every way that really matters. Least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023. Which especially is very huge. Star's Atlas DAO truly have a future in every way that really matters. Huge way. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO especially has a remarkable kind of potential to really arrive at new levels, showing the way that the Paulus cost could truly arrive at and in every practical sense. Greatest cost of 12 cents, with the sort of typical cost around 12 cents, which is very critical. It generally is estimate that Paulus will increment in esteem, showing how these essentially are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Paulus's future, in an exceptionally significant manner. As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can fundamentally stir things up around town. The greatest cost of $0.024 till 2030, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking, is Star Atlas DAO kind of worth purchasing in 2023. Which essentially is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO's worth explicitly is supposed to really keep on growing, as lack will in general, by and large.